Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this section. I don't want it super dripping wet, so I'm just gonna lightly spray it a little bit. All right, so now that I sprayed that, I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner by TGIN. I used this in my previous video as well. I'm just gonna use a little bit of that and apply it to that section, and then I will be detangling. I'm gonna go in with my mousse, and I will be using the TGIN Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my twist and make sure to do it pretty tightly so I can have a lot of definition. And then towards the end, I'm gonna try and get the end really smooth around the perm rod so it can come out nice and frizz-free. This is what it's looking like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat those same steps all over my head. All right guys, so I'm finished applying all of my perm rods and the twist. I have 18 in total. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair, and then I'll be back probably in a different spot because this freaking time change thing has the light going away super early, and I normally record in front of this huge window that I have, but yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. All right guys, so I'm back. I was sitting on the dryer for a little bit. I don't know how these are gonna turn out or if I'm even gonna like them. I hope that I do like them. I just went ahead and grabbed my watermelon squeeze oil. I'm gonna use that to unravel the twists. So these are what the twists are looking like right now, and yeah, kind of don't know how it's gonna look. And as you guys can see, I am getting some frizz. Now, I've been getting this problem a lot lately when I try to do twist outs. I don't know if it's because of the brush that I'm using or the comb, but when I try to take it out, it comes out frizzy at the top, and the more I separate it, the frizzier it gets. So this is the final product. Don't really like it, but we're gonna make this work. Probably gonna leave my hair like this for a couple of days. If I'm looking over to the side, I have a mirror over there, so I'm just seeing the side view of it. Let me show you guys. I mean, it doesn't look all that bad. I like the shape that it gave me, but I just wish there was more definition. So right now, I'm just trying to make this side kind of match the other side in volume. So that's it for this video. Kind of didn't turn out the way that I wanted to. I think I do have a video on this hairstyle where it came out a little bit better, or maybe it came out exactly like this. I don't know, but I just thought it would turn out different. But it doesn't look that bad. I really do like the shape I got going here. All right, so I wasn't too happy about the results from that perm rod twist out, so I went ahead and put some twists in my hair already on my stretched hair. So this is what it's looking like. I did go ahead and just apply some water. I didn't need to put that much product in my hair because I already had some product in my hair. So this is what it's looking like after it is completely dried. I'm gonna go ahead and take out those twists with that same watermelon oil. So I don't know what's going on, but my hair looks cute like this. So I started taking out the twist, and as you guys can see, there is still frizz. So I was kind of like, I don't know what's going on. My hair hates me right now. Everything I'm doing is not working. So yeah, this didn't last that long either. Okay guys, so this is the final look from the twist out that I did on my failed twist out with flexi rods or with perm rods. Yeah, it's nice and fluffy. It's a little frizzy right here, so I'm probably gonna redo this one little section, but I am tired. Like, my whole day has been revolved around my hair, and I'm like tired. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.